welcome to our wow 2-bedroom pool villa.
Wild.
Wow 2-bedroom
wow.
pool villa. So for the 3-bedroom, we call it extreme wow 3-bedroom pool villa. For 2-bedroom pool villa, we only have 10 units in
One
total.
bedroom, just wow.
In 1-bedroom, marvelous 1-bedroom pool villa. The second bedroom first. Same as the 3-bedroom pool villa, we are using the queen size bed, so it's quite spacious, and it has also the working desk for the children. We have also the complete set of the cupboard, which is including the iron board as well, and the iron. And for the bathroom, it is also complete with bathtub on the left side and separated shower room and also the WC. So for the brand, now we're using the Oaken. This is nationally sourced, but in terms of the ingredients, this brand is using more sustainable ingredients and also natural one. There is also, all of our villas is completed with a Bose sound system inside and also outside. Since the concept of the village is the concept of the villa is like traditional Balinese village in Ubud, you can feel the ambience of pretty much Ubud and Seminyak area. Watch out for your head. So for the 2-bedroom pool villa, we only have the living room area, not the complete kitchen set. But still, if the guest is requesting for a barbecue party inside their villa, that is possible with a machine charge. The privacy is the main unique selling points for the villa because the guest can have a different check-in area with the guest which is staying in the escape, and check-in inside the villa is possible. As I did mention, the color concept for the 2-bedroom villa is more into the sunrise of Bali, so it's kind of the yellow one. The total size of the room is 352 square meters. For the main bedroom, it has a pretty much the same configuration as the marvelous 1-bedroom pool villa. The layout is the same, and also the length, the size, of the bedrooms. There's a bed over here, which is 200 times 200, extra bed. There's also a working desk just behind, which is also completed with an electric posting for the curtains. We do also completed this with a safe, which can cater up to 15-inch MacBook. There is a extremely big bathtub, which is suitable for all foreigners. And these are the cupboard as well. So for family, we highly recommend to at least book this room type. We are already 11 years old, but because we are kind of well maintained and also have a different perspective to combine the Balinese and also modern look, we are still looking very young for our guests. And there we have also the separate shower area and also the WC. Plus, there is also an outdoor shower area if the guest is preferred to have outdoor. It's kind of hot here, but the aircon is because the aircon is not yet being turned on. But later on, we're going to turn this on. It's okay. It's not like the fan is the only thing that we have here. It's just because we do not turn the air conditioner yet.